we are given this problem that says if n plus 1 is odd, then n minus 1 squared is odd. Is this true or false? Well, as we can see, when we say n plus 1 is odd, what can we deduce out of that? That will simply tells us, right, that n is even, okay? So that n plus 1 will be odd. Okay, so meaning clearly here n is even. Okay, for example, we have if n is equal to 2, then this thing will be 3. 3 is an odd number. N is equal to like 4, then that 5 will be odd. Okay, now n minus 1 squared is also odd. This is the claim now. So what is n minus 1 squared? Well, if n is even, then n minus 1 will clearly be odd, right? And square of an odd number is odd. Okay, for example, if n is equal to 2, for example, okay, n plus 1 is 3, n minus 1 squared, that will be what? N minus 1 here is 1 squared, that's 1. Example, n is equal to 4, n plus 1 is 5, n minus 1 squared will be 3 cubed, 3 squared, that's a 9. Well, from here, we can then say, oh, this is a true statement, okay? But if you really want to show that this one is, okay, this one is odd, we can actually do it like this. N minus 1 squared is equal to n squared minus 2n plus 1, okay? N squared minus 2n plus 1, okay? And then what can we get out of this? Okay, I have not really showed mathematically that this is odd, but as you can see here, n squared is even for sure because n is even. From this first statement, 2n is surely also even because of course there's a 2 already there, and that's even. And even with a 1, then that will be an odd number.